Here's some air conditioners at a hair salon. Looks like these are Lennoxes. I think this one's... yeah, I think that one's a Lennox as well. This one is a 5-ton from 2007. Copeland scroll compressor. Here we have another Lennox. $3-ton, 1999. I think it's got R22, I think. Not exactly sure. $3-ton, 1999. Here's a Rude. I believe it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And the data sheet's worn off. Here we have, I think it's an Ameristar. It kind of looks like one. It's a 4-ton, 2012. I think that has a Copeland scroll compressor. This is a thermal zone. It's a 5-ton, 2014. Here's another Rude, and another one too. 5-ton from June of 1999. Rude Achiever 10. And then there's one more unit over here. Looks to be a Nordine. Doesn't look like it's been running. There's snow on the plates, so... yeah. It's got Copeland scroll, I think. And there's a window right there, so I can't get to the data. But anyway, thanks for watching.